Hello, Jimmy Brooks here again. I had been watching reviews on this particular pick set here, which is the Pagoda uh, uh, BPXS12. All right, it's a pretty good little kit from Southord. I have some other Southord tools. I have that set there also, and I have since put the Pagoda pick set in there as well. Use that pick case for something else. And inside there, that 12 there is the this particular pick here. The little small ridges. I found a use for it. How about that? Like I said, I had to get back into my practice. I'm not trying to do it all overnight, but I am running through several. If you can see all that, that's just some new ones, some new, some I've had. It's just an ongoing process. Not to mention what I have behind me, but I'll show you this right quick. This is a very weak, extremely weak bitting on this key. Maybe why this pick works so well, but I try not to get hung up on one particular lock. But there's that key bitting, almost non-existent. You really can't see it. There it is. But that is a knockoff filing cabinet lock. It's really crap, really what it is. But anyway, it is a wafer lock. It does work. It does work good both directions. There's it. But anyway, make sure it is locked. Yes, it's locked pretty good there. But anyway, this kind of reminds me of the Scarab that Sparrows has. I haven't got a set of those yet. But tools, I got picks running out my ears now. Christmas, like I said, I worked all the way through, and I bought my own Christmas, so this part of it. Anyway, really quick. Let's do that again. Well, no, that's the key, not. Roll it back up. I think it's just a bitting on that key myself. I think you can open that thing up with a toothpick, to be honest with you. All right, that's all I had. I'll try to load something with some more gusto. But anyway, that if you got a Pagoda pick set and you have not looked at this pick, just give it a shot. Maybe, hopefully I'm not blurring you out too bad. Give it a shot. I try not to overlook anything in a pick kit, and I bought the pick kit for a reason. For the other rakes and stuff. But yeah, my line of work, if I have to get into something, it's got to be quick. I can't spend a whole lot of time. If I have to get into something, it's got to be fast. That's all. That's the bottom line. But there's that ridiculous bitting on that thing. Alrighty. Thanks, guys.